Still looking for love online? Well, if you want to mate with a specific trait, there may just be a dating site dedicated to it. FarmersOnly.com, VeggieDate.org, Date My Pet, Tall Dating, even Zombie Harmony, just to name a few. Lori Davis, the author of Love at First Click, breaks it down.
There are two different types of niche sites. There are niche sites that lead with interests and religion and all the stuff that we're talking about. But there's a new niche that's emerging also. They're leading with technology. They're leading with a different user experience, whether it's Facebook connecting and allowing you to see your friends of friends, or whether it's, connecting you to Spotify and allowing you to pull in your music into your profile.
Music, interests, that's all good. But what about that first impression? It's usually based on photos. So how about a site that scans your photo and recommends someone that looks like you? FindYourFacemate.com does just that.
If you think about it, we do this on every dating website that we go to. You look at the pictures first and you scroll through the pictures and you try to see where do you feel some chemistry, where are you attracted. And that's really fundamentally what we do, is we find those people to whom we think you're going to be most attracted based on facial characteristics.
Michelle Mafia says it worked for her. She found her last boyfriend on the site.
And I thought he was really handsome, and I thought, all right, well, let me just meet him before I make that decision for sure, because you never know with a picture. But when I met him, I was immediately attracted to him, yeah.
But in the end, the true measure of success is being able to turn that online attraction into offline love.